So welcome back to my channel. As a mom is kailangan pa rin nating magpaganda kahit konti, even if we are on a budget always. Kasi sinisigurado natin na kapag mami na tayo is kailangan nagbabudget tayo para hindi tayo out of budget or mag-overspend ng mga bagay-bagay and ang ending is kakapusin tayo. So here are some tips on how or what you're going to use even if you're on a budget. So meron lang akong kukonting products dito if I'll be doing a makeup. Okay? So, una is meron akong sunscreen for my base. So, hindi ako expert sa makeup, pero I am just having these products for me to look just presentable. So, for me, I consider it as a presentable na lang kasi hindi naman talaga ako makeup artist and I don't use those mga iba't ibang products na parang feeling ko is complicated na. So, first is for my base is nagsa-sunscreen lang ako and let's just do that, okay? So, gawin lang natin. So, two finger method. Ayun yung sabi nila sa sunscreen na to. And by the way, this is from Hickory. Ayan. So, nung nagamit ko to, nagustuhan ko siya kasi even if I'm a morena girl, is talagang nagbe-blend out siya sa aking skin. And as per claims, meron na to siyang uh, tone-up effect that actually moisturize our skin and actually lighten up. Kung nakikita nyo naman, parang meron talaga siyang glow and lighten up effect as compared kanina. Kung nakikita nyo yung mukha ko bago ko nilagyan ng moisturizer. At hindi ako inabot ng 1 minute to blend this out. And I'm not using any filter, filter right now. Hair up boy, mag-Tagalog man eh. So I'm not using any filter right now just for you to see yung effect niya sa aking face. So that's it. That's my primer. And yun yung pinaka-base ko na. So again, naglalagay lang ako ng pinaka-primer and then I'll be showing you another products that I'm using as a minimalist living. Ayan. So, next is, meron ako ditong foundation. May foundation ako. Nilagay ko lang siya sa maliit na container. And then, my face powder from Maybelline. Yung cute lang, compact. And then, meron din ako ditong eyeliner. Hindi, eyebrow to. This is eyebrow. And this is the eyeliner, lippy, and then blush on. And then I also have two brushes. One is for blush on, and then the other one is for foundation. So these are just the simple products that I am using when I am going to have a makeup look. Ganun. Kasi usually in my daily routine, simple lang naman talaga yung aking atake sa bawat araw. Okay, so let's just now, kasi parang nag-set na yung ating sunscreen. So let's now move on to the foundation, liquid foundation. And then yung brand neto, i-ano ko na lang sa description kasi hindi ko na maalala but I'm so loving this foundation kasi ito lang yung foundation na hindi ako tinitigyawat kasi most of the time pag nagpa-foundation ako is talagang tinutubuan ako ng pimples. Kaya hindi ako sanay talaga mag-makeup. But now, feel ko lang mag-makeup and papakita ko lang sa mga mommies out there na even if in a low budget is makakapag-makeup pa rin naman tayo at makakapagpaganda. Okay? Ayan. So, blend lang natin as if marunong talaga tayong mag-makeup. So, ito lang naman is mga natutunan ko, basic tutorial ng makeup. So, ng pagme-makeup, ganun. So, at least man lang, kahit papano is marunong tayo kahit pa-basic-basic lang para hindi naman tayo magmukhang losyang, ganun. So, again, mga mommies out there, even if we're in a low-key or low budget, kailangan pa rin natin magpaganda. Not for us na hindi iiwan kasi knowing na hindi naman successful yung aking mga relationships, so wala akong yarn. But for us to just feel good for ourselves, okay? Ayan. So, mabilisan lang to. Ayan, ma-blend out mo lang siya. So, ganito lang ako kabilis mag-makeup. So, sana makuha ko siya ng 10 minutes. Maximum. And then, next stop is, magkikilay ako, girl. So, kilay tayo. Tingnan ko kung makaya kong gawin to. So, makeup tutorial. Minimalist makeup tutorial, of course. Ganito lang ako kabilis mag-kilay. Wala nang masyadong complications kasi nga hindi naman ako magaling detach. So, ayan. And then, blend lang. Blending is the key. So, the brush ko lang yan siya. Sana magawa ko to ng tama. It's because, again, ito lang yung kaya ko na pang minimalist makeup look. Ayun, natakpan ko na pala kayo, but yeah, this is it. So, ganito lang ako mag-makeup. And wala, okay na yung kilay ko na yarn. Babrush lang natin. So, 10 minutes lang to. And then, minsan, pag hindi ako tinatamad at hindi nagmamadali is, nilalagyan ko yan ng concealer para ma-emphasize talaga yung shape ng ating kilay. But now, Gora na yan, okay na ako dyan. And then, next is, yung pinaka eyeshadow ko is ito na din eh. Kamay-kamay lang. Ayan, tap, tap, tap lang from here. Sa ganyan. Kasi ito na yung pinaka blush, eyeshadow, and then, ano ko, lipstick minsan. But if gusto ko mag-add on, I'm using another product for my lip. Ganern. But usual talaga is, ito lang. Oh, so, ganyan lang yung mata natin. And then, ano na, blush kasi 7 minutes na. And then after mo yan ilagay, so may nakita akong tutorial na pagka medyo hindi naman bilog yung mukha mo, pahaba. So dito mo lang ilagay yung iyong blush and huwag mo na siyang iabot pataas. Ganun. I don't know how effective that is and what's the effect, but yeah, sinusunod ko na lang din. And I find it okay naman din. After that is sa lips na ako. So, diretso tayo ngayon. Na-misplace ko yung aking lip liner. Tsaka yung aking lip balm sa lipstick agad. Hmm. Bilis lang. And then, pagkatapos nyan, ipa-final ko lang yan siya ng ating powder. Set ko lang siya ng ating powder from Maybelline. So, ayan na. Okay na ako dyan, guys. At least, presentable ka ng tingnan, di ba? Hmm. So, yeah. That's it. And then, ayusin lang natin yung ating buhok. Ang galing ko lang. Lipat lang natin detach. Ayan. And then, voila. We have our minimalists. Natumba pa yung ating light. We have now our minimalist makeup look. So, ayan lang. So, hope nakatulong. Again, I just have the three or four products in my hand. Tingnan mo. Ayan lang. 5 pala. 5 products all in all. So, I have the foundation, powder, eyeliner, eyebrow, and then lippies. And blush on. See ya. Natapos ko within 10 minutes. Kung